Good morning guys, it's 6:20 in the morning and I'm at the airport. My flight is at 7:30 and I'm going to board my flight in another 10 minutes. Till then I'm having my cold coffee and I'm very excited and little bit nervous also. So let's meet once I reach in my flight. So let's go and catch the flight and I'm very much nervous also because this is the first time I'm going to meet Vivek sir and record my face to face, but wish me luck. So I'm in the plane ready to fly. Let's meet in Kolkata. Till then, bye bye. A trader get everywhere stock market. I can find the stock market in the plane also. We have reached the Kolkata and about to land. Finally, I have reached Kolkata. Now I'm going outside and I'll book a cab for the hotel and then I'll get ready and directly to the Learn office. Stay tuned. So guys, this is my room for today and thank you so much for eLearn team to booking this for me. And now I'll get ready and then I'll go to eLearn office for my face-to-face. So guys, I'm ready for my face-to-face. Now I'm gonna book my cab and then I'll directly move toward the eLearn office for my face-to-face. Now I'm done with my face-to-face and now I plan to explore some Kolkata. So I'm in the Science City. So I'm going to explore the Science City because now I thought कि now I'm in Kolkata तो कोलकाता घूम के जाना चाहिए, फिर तुझे घर नहीं जाना चाहिए. So अभी हम साइंस सिटी में हूँ, साइंस सिटी एक्सप्लोर करूँगी, घूमूंगी, then I'll let you know. So I'm going to check out from the hotel. Now I'll explore the Kolkata and then I'll go back to airport and then back to Delhi. Finally, I'm at airport going back to Delhi. So now it's time to say bye bye to Kolkata, and it is a nice city. I really enjoyed it. Time to say bye bye to Kolkata. It was nice visiting. I hope to see you again.